Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the area of circle. Area of circle is the important part of mensuration and the very interesting topic which connected with the topic area. So today our aim is to find out the area of circle. In the last few videos, I taught you to find out the area of some certain figure as well as the area of parallelogram and the area of triangle. Area of circle is find out by the using formula is area of circle can be found using the formula pi r square. Here we are using the term of r which represent the radius of the circle, and pi, you know, for the value of pi is always 22 upon 7. So here we write where r is the radius of circle and the value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.126. Okay. So here we use the formula to find the value of the area of circle by this formula. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. And you already know that the relation between the area and diameter, so we use that relation in this chapter directly. Okay, so now let's start to solve some question on this. So that the first question is find the area of a circle of radius 8.4 centimeter. Question number 1 is find the area of a circle of radius 8.4 centimeter. The question is very simple. That is the basic question, and here we shall try to find out the value of the area of circle of radius 8.4 centimeter. So let's start. So here first we know that area of circle is equal to pi r square. Here r, that is the radius, is given, which is 8.4 centimeter. Therefore here we put the value, we write the value of pi, we shall put 22 upon 7 and multiplied by 8.4 into 8.4. Since r square represent that to write down the numbers in 2 times. So here we write 8.4 into 8.4. Now dividing, we get 7 1 ja 7 and 12 7 ja 84. Now here we write down the remaining value 22 multiplied by, we can write them by just removing the decimal. 12 multiplied by 84 upon 10 and multiplied by upon 10. Okay, and now let's solve this. So here when we solve, we get 12 to the 44 and 12 to the 44 multiplied by 84 upon 10 10 ja 100. Okay, now just multiply 84 into 484. So here we write 484 multiplied by 84. We get 4 4 the 16, carry 1 4 8 are 32, 32 and 1 33, carry 3, 4 4 are 16, 16 and 3 19. Again multiplied by 8, 8, 8 4 are 32, carry 3, 8 8 are 64, 67 and 8 4 are 32, 32 and 6 38. So here we get 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 9 plus 7, 16 carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 and 1, 10 and this is 4. So here we get the value as 40,656 upon 100 or it can be written as 406.56 centimeter square. Therefore, 406.56 centimeter square is the right answer. Okay, students. So, in this way, we shall find out the area of circle using the formula pi r square. Okay, so this was very simple question that here we solved and I hope that you get it clear. Okay, now let us see some more question which is also based on the same formula. Okay, sometimes question can also be asked like this. Here, let me write. The next question is if the area of circle, if the area of circle is 346.5 centimeter square, 346.5 centimeter square, then find the diameter, then find its diameter. So here we use this in order to solve this question. Since here the area has been given, okay, so we know that pi r square is the area of circle. Pi r square is the area of circle. So here we shall put the value. We know that the value of pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by r square and this will be equal to 346.5. Okay, because the area of circle has been given here, that is why we put the area of circle, that is pi r square is equal to 346.5 centimeter square. Now we solve, we get r square is equal to 3465 upon 10, because here I removed the decimal by just multiplying this and divide this by 10. Okay, and multiplied by, when we transfer 22 upon 7 to the right hand side, we write its reciprocal, that is 7 upon 22. Now just solve 11 to the 22. Here we solve 11 to the 22, and when we divide it by 11 we get 11 3 is 33, 11 3 is 33, carry 1 16, 11 1 is 11, carry 5 55, 11 5 is 55. So that here we get this is equal to 350 multiplied by 7 upon 10 and multiplied by 2. Okay, student, one most important thing I would like to tell you that here in this step we needed to divide anymore. Okay, just convert this to in 10 or multiple of 10, because if we divide, okay, no problem, if we divide answer will come, doesn't matter, but solution become complicated. In order to make the solution simple form, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 5, because when it becomes 10, then 10 into 10 become 100, and we just have to put the decimal and no more. So here it can be also written as, just multiply 5 7 are 35, carry 3, 5 1 are 7 1 are 7, 7 and 3 10, carry 1, 7 3 are 21, 21 and 1 22. Again multiply it by 5 upon 10 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Here we multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by 5. So here we get 5 5 are 25, carry 2, 5 0 2, 5 2 are 10 and 5 2 are 10 plus 1 11 upon 5 2 are 10, 10 into 10, that is 100. Okay, now here we can write 110.25. This is the one most important thing we needed to write this. Since this is the value of r square, since this is the value of r square, okay, and we have to find out the value of r. So in order to find out the value of r, we have to find out the square root of the quantity which are on the right side. So here we shall find out the square root of 11 how is 25. So here we write 11 0 to 5, and we find this as square root by this 5 5 to the 10, 1 10, 5 to the 10 and 5 5 the 15. Again divide by 5. 5 to the 10, 5 4 the 40 and 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 20. Again divided by 5, we get 5 9 the 45 divided by 3. Okay, so here we can get this. So in this way here we get the value is, it can be written as r square is equal to r, that is r is equal to, we get the square root of 11,025 as 105, and upon the value of 100 is 10. Okay, here 10, so we can write it 10.5. 10.5 is the radius. 10.5 is the radius of circle, and here we need to find out the value of diameter. So we have to multiply 10.5 by 2, because we know that 2d is equal to r. 2d is equal to r, that is diameter is always twice of the radius. Therefore we multiply this by 2, and when we multiply by 2 we get the value of d is equal to 21 centimeter. Therefore 21 centimeter is the right answer. Therefore 21 centimeter is the right answer. Okay students, now let's see this solution once again. I will show you the lowest part, or you can see the given question is, if the area of circle is 346.5 centimeter square, then find the diameter of the circle. Since in order to find out the diameter of the circle, first we need to find out the radius of the circle. For this we know that pi r square is the area of circle. Okay, since the area of circle is given, that is 346.5 centimeter square, therefore here we write 346.5, and here pi r square, we put the value of pi as 22 upon 7 into r square. Okay, now r square will equal to, here I just remove this decimal by just multiplying and divide it by 10. So here we get 303,465 upon 10 and multiplied by, when 22 upon 7 transposed to the right hand side, it becomes opposite, that is its reciprocal, and it becomes 7 upon 22. And now here we just solve a little. We get 315 multiplied by 7 or 10 into 2. In order to convert this to in 10, because here we need to find out the square root. So we don't know the square root of 20. Therefore, we have to convert it into 10. So when we convert it 10, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. So here we multiply 5 and divide by 5 arbitrarily, and here we get, when we multiply 7 into 315, we get 2205, and here we multiply 5 arbitrary and 10 into 2 multiplied by 5, where 5 is also arbitrary. Okay. Now after solving, we get 11,025 upon 100. Since the value, the square root of 11,015, 11,025 is 105, and the square root of 100 is 10, as we have studied earlier. So after solving, we get 10.5. Since 10.5 is the radius of the circle, and in the question it has been asked that find out the diameter of the circle, therefore we have to multiply the radius by 2, because we know that the radius is always half of the diameter, or we can say that diameter is always twice of the radius. Therefore we have to multiply this radius by 2. We get d is equal to 21 centimeter square. Therefore 21 centimeter square is the right answer. Therefore 21 centimeter is the right answer. Okay students, so I hope that you get everything clearly. If you have any doubt, then go to the comment section and mention there. I will clear in my next video. We shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.